All right, market recap from today. Let's go through this quick. Only earnings winner. We wait. Which one of those is the best at the open, the strongest? QS, Texas Instrument, Comcast, STM, and Mobileye. Let's go through the selection quick. Yeah, STM was a straight burst. So this is okay. These are, of course, more challenging to enter. So this depends on your risk level. If you can tolerate more risk and you have momentum and you can afford to have a loss, more than usual, then you can jump straight into this break here, okay? And to see if it bursts straight higher. And especially these have May expiration options, they were not so risky because STM had only not weekly options. So the risk was fairly low. Instead of, let's say, the other stocks, tomorrow expiration would be more risky, much more risky. So was it easy? No. Did it work? Yes. But you see, it's not easy. So this requires practice. This was not best case scenario. When it's burst straight at the open, these are more challenging. So normally I want to see like a retest or holding at the open for several minutes. So in this case was the straight burst. That's more difficult. But yeah, it still worked and went way above target. Yeah. So QS was a clear no trade. You see, 2-minute time frame. Yeah, 2-minute big red candle at the open. Just stay away. So it's clear weakness for the rest of the day. So we stay away from these kind of stocks. So I was drawing this line here for a reason. And we didn't touch it, we didn't go higher, so clear no trade. Yeah, so this never went really to above my resistance level. There was a different kind of trade. Okay, we had weak pre-market action here, but when at the market open, it's been holding and grinding higher. Okay, this was a strong sign. So sometimes you can use one of the alerts for a customized trade idea. Okay, it's been holding and grinding higher for potential burst higher. Okay, that's what it did. It wasn't straight my alert here. I didn't trade it, but it could have worked. Sometimes you can use a trade like this. So what matters most is really the price action at the market open. Even though this was super weak, but it was trending higher, and that indicates a potential burst higher. Okay. So yeah, this was a great winner here, but yeah, same as STM. So this candle here indicated this was a retest. It's as difficult as it is. Okay, sometimes you have to react super fast. So in this case, we had the instant green candle. This is showing immediately power to the upside. Okay, QS is showing power to the downside with the big red candle. We got a big green candle here, a small one. So this was a little retest here. This was just sometimes the retest is longer, sometimes it's super short, like in this case. So then this would be the entry here to enter. Break of resistance for a move higher. And it was instantly moving higher. So and way above it, it was a gigantic winner. This was like I think 100 or 200% winner if you enter here. So that was textbook, but it was again, it's not easy. It was textbook, but it needs a lot of practice and yeah, and we have to dance with the market conditions. Some days the market takes more time. Sometimes it's instant at the open. The instant at the open are the most challenging to trade. That's clear. So Mobileye, I shouldn't have alerted this one in the first place. I mean, it never went to the target to resistance, and it never went anywhere near this area. But the options were really bad. I shouldn't have alerted it. The spread was too wide. Like I'm not gonna alert these wide spread stocks anymore. It's just not worth it. It's too risky. So there's nothing to do here. Let's go SPY. Yeah. Okay. SPY is in a choppy zone. Okay, it's a SPY. So it didn't go above resistance. Much above it. So could this be a trade? Yeah, maybe. But do you wait so long? No. So we're in a choppy zone, so that's why it's more difficult to trade. Okay, this is just a scalping zone, so we may break this down later here. Maybe it plunges to support line, to the target, but we'll see with put options. But yeah, you have to wait for a directional move. It may set up for a pullback here into tomorrow, but yeah, I'm done for the day, and that's a lot for the day.